how you can easily repost videos in the Spotlight section of Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily repost videos in the Spotlight section of Snapchat on your iOS or Android device, helping you boost visibility and reshare your best content effortlessly. So let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat and click on this play button at the bottom right, and then you're going to search for the specific snap to repost. So you can do the same method on Android and iOS both. I'm using an iOS device, but if you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the Snapchat application is same on both of the devices. So you're going to first open the snap and then you're going to click on this arrow icon over here, and once you do so, you'll be able to see that your snap has been reposted. Now if you wish to view the reposted snaps, you're going to click on your profile at the top left, scroll down a little bit, and under Spotlight, Favorites and Repost, you'll be able to see them. Click on View All and you'll be able to see all of your reposts over here. So that was how you can easily repost videos in the Spotlight section of Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.